Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Today I want to discuss sp2 sp3 hybridization with examples, different various examples. Okay. First I want to discuss sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. What is sp2 hybridization means? One s orbital to p orbital combines to give sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Equal number of atomic orbitals intermixing to give equal number of 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. So this is known as sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization, S character is 33.3% and P character is 33.3% and P character is 66.6%. Remember it please. S character is 33.3% and P character is 66.6%. S orbital which is in spherical shape, P orbital which is in dumbbell shape. Now this is how many p orbitals are there? 2 p orbitals are there. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the z-axis, which combines 2 p orbitals, 1 s orbital combines to give equal energy and shape, equal energy and same energy and same shape orbital, that is the sp2 orbital, sp2 orbital sp2 new hybrid orbital. This is the sp2 hybrid orbital, new hybrid orbital. Atomic orbitals combines to give equal number of 3 sp2 orbitals. Its energy and shape is same. So this is about sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. In this sp2 hybridization, I want to give one example for sp2 hybridization. One example. One atomic number is 5. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. This is ground state electronic configuration. In s orbital number of electrons are 2. In p orbital number of electrons, this is the 2s, this is the 2p. It is ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. Ground state electronic configuration. I want to write excited state electronic configuration. Excited state electronic configuration. Excited state electronic configuration. What is excited state? So in excited state, one electron which is promoted to the 2p orbital. Now this is 2s, no? 2s one electron. So which is jumps to the promoted to the 2p orbital. Now this is a px, this is a py, this is a pz. Now this is a 2p. One 2s orbital to 2p orbital electron orbital combines to give equal energy and equal shape orbital, that is only sp2 hybrid orbital. sp2 hybrid orbital. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, 3s2, 3p5. 3s2, 3p5 is the outer shell orbital. 3s2, 3p5 is the outer shell orbital. So in this, now this pz orbital electron, this is a pz orbital electron. So how many pz orbital chlorine? 3 chlorine pz orbital electrons. So combines to form. So in this chlorine, boron, 3 electrons, unpaired electrons. So like this combines to form chlorine only. Now chlorine, this is one chlorine. Now this is the another chlorine. Now this is the third chlorine. 3 chlorines are, so combines with the boron, so unpaired electrons in s orbital and p orbital. So here Now this is boron. How many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines are there. Now this is boron sp2 hybrid orbital. Boron sp2 hybrid orbital. Boron. How many chlorines? 3 chlorines are there. So 3 chlorines means 3pz. This is the positive lobe, this is the negative lobe. 3pz orbitals of chlorine. 3pz. Chlorine 3pz. Chlorine 3pz. How many? 3. That combines to give like this sp2 hybrid orbital of boron trichloride. Now this is like this, similar to here Cl is there, here one Cl is there, here one Cl is there. So boron trichloride, BCl3. Now this is the bond angle is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Now what is the shape of this molecule is? Trigonal planar shape. Trigonal planar shape. This is about sp2 hybridization. So with a clear example for sp2 hybridization, best example for sp2 hybridization is, so many examples are there. Another example, BH3, also one type of sp2 hybridization, BH3, BCl3, and also ethene. Ethene means CH2 means how orbitals are participating in different boron and hydrogen, boron and chlorine are given with the diagrammatically. So this is important for theory purpose as to how they are participating in atomic orbitals, participating to give new hybrid orbital. I given shortcut also hybridization. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. What is sp3 hybridization? Means one s orbital, 3 p orbitals combines to give one s orbital, 3 p orbitals combines to give new hybrid orbital, that is sp3 hybrid orbital. sp3 hybrid orbital. Now in the sp3 hybridization, s character is so 25% and p character is 75%. One s orbital, 3 s orbital which is in spherical shape. So 3 p orbitals means this is one p orbital, this is another p orbital, this is so now this is the x axis, this is the y axis, this is the z axis, combines to give new sp hybrid orbital, new sp3 hybrid orbital, equal energy and equal shape, new sp3 hybrid orbital. So what is that means? Now this is the new sp3 hybrid orbital, new sp3. Now which is in tetrahedral manner. So what is the example for sp3 hybridization? Means the best example for sp3 hybridization is methane. Methane carbon atomic number is 6. Your electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is ground state electronic configuration. So 2s2 electrons are there and 2p2 means how many electrons are there? Each orbital give one electron, then pairing start according to Hund's principle. Now I want to write excited state electronic configuration. Excited state electronic configuration. So what is excited state electronic configuration? Means one 2s orbital electron which is jumps to the promoted to the 2p orbital. Here one s orbital, 3p orbitals of this carbon combines to give new sp3 hybrid orbital. These sp3 hybrid orbitals are participating in chemical bond, unlike atoms, unlike atomic orbitals. sp3 hybrid orbitals are participating in chemical bonding, so very frequently. So that's why they are combined to each other here sp3 hybrid orbital. Hydrogen atomic number is 1 and its electronic configuration is 1s1. How many? 4 hydrogens are bonding with these sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon. Here one, here one, here one, here one. How many? 4 hydrogens are so bonding with these carbon unpaired electrons, outer shell orbital electrons, sp3 hybrid orbital electrons. They give new hybrid molecule. So what is that new hybrid molecule? For methane means s orbital. So s orbital, carbon sp3 hybrid orbital in methane, carbon sp3 hybrid orbital in methane is, now this is sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon. 4 hydrogens, its electronic configuration is 1s, which combines to give like this. Now here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, so which is similar to like tetrahedral manner. The bond angle in this bond angle is 109 degrees 5 minutes, and the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral shape. Any molecule, there is no lone pair. In this methane carbon atom. Any molecule, so which is having sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pair, the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral shape and bond angle is 109 degrees 5 minutes. Any molecule so which is undergoes sp2 hybridization with 0 lone pair means the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar and 120 degrees. This is the best example for sp2 and sp3 hybridization. Already I given trick last classes. Please watch my video, total complete video, and follow my method and copy these all examples. If you like my videos, please so like, share, comment and subscribe.